Another flowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 31, from verse 33 up to verse 35. Laban searched the tents of Jacob, Leah, and the two servant women, but he did not find the idols. Then he started for Rachel's tent. She had already hidden them in the cushion she used as a saddle and was sitting on it. Laban searched everywhere and did not find them. Rachel said, "Father, please don't be angry with me for not getting up. I am having my period." Laban kept on searching but still did not find the idols. So in this verse, Laban is still looking for his idols. And he is so angry because those idols were missing. And he can find those idols. So he keep on searching. So what we can learn here is that do not rely on idols that can be stolen by men, but rely on God, the creator of heaven and earth. No one can steal him from you.